Everybody, in this video, I am going to create the pivot arm. So I wrote some notes down because I don't actually have the drawing in front of me, but we're gonna see if we can get through it. So I'm gonna go up to new again. This is gonna be in inches, so I'm going to English, standard. I'm gonna go to create. I'm gonna start my 2D sketch on this XY plane. I'm going to draw the left donut looking circles. So I'm going to go from the center point here. I'm going to drag out. So I wrote down that the diameter of that one is going to be 3 3/8. So this one is 3 3/8. And then I'm going to create another circle, that same center. And this dimension is going to be 2 inches. And then I'm going to create another, what could I do? I could actually draw a line from here straight across. That's going to be 7 1/8, 7 1/8, 7 space 1/8, enter. I'm going to change this line. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to change it to a construction line because I want to draw my right little donut on the end of that, where that green line is. Drag it out. Actually, I'm just going to draw 2 circles here, one and a little smaller one. Now I can dimension it. So this one is going to be 2 5/8, 2 space 5/8. This one is going to be 1 3/8, 1 3/8. And then I'm going to draw 2 lines from one circle to the other that are tangent. So I'm going to go to my line tool. I'm just going to click on this circle, click on somewhere. I don't want to click on that top quadrant, maybe somewhere over here. And I'm going to click on the tangent constraint. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click my circle and then the line. You can see it gave me my constraint symbol here. I'm going to click on the circle and this line. You see it gave me my constraint there, so we're good. I'm going to draw another line from somewhere here to the bottom. Again, don't come to the quadrant there because it'll lock that in. I want to be kind of over here where I can move it. So I'm going to click right about there. I'm going to go to my tangent constraint, click the circle, the line, click the circle, click the line. There we go. So I can leave my construction line there. I think we're good. So that's our sketch for our part. And I want to finish sketch. Here's where it gets a little bit dicey. So I'm going to extrude this bigger donut over here. And I want to extrude it both directions. And this is a thickness of 2 inches. I don't know if I can do this one here at the same time. If I click this one and then make that, I'm just going to give this a shot. 1 1/4. I don't want to change both. Yeah, it changed both. All right, so let me cancel that. I was afraid of that. It was worth a shot. So I'm going to extrude this one here, one at a time, both directions, 2 inches. So hit OK there. Then I'm going to, my sketch went away. So under extrusion, I'm going to click the plus. Where you see sketch, I'm going to right click it, turn on the visibility. So I'm going to get my sketch back. I want to extrude the smaller donut, again in both directions, the symmetric option. And that's going to be 1 1/4. 1 space 1/4. Press enter, and then I want to extrude this middle section here. Again, I'm going to go symmetric. That's going to be 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 there. I'm going to hit OK. So then I'm going to go back into my sketch number 1. I'm going to select it, right click it. I'm going to turn the visibility of that off. And then I'm going to click on the home thing here to kind of get it oriented. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to view. Where are you at? View, visual style, shaded with edges. I'm going to turn the shadows on just because I like to make it look fancy. For the lighting here, I'm going to change this to photo booth. Leave it orthographic. For the default up here, I'm going to go to smooth ivory. You can put whatever color you want, but that's kind of how I like to, unless it gives me a material to put on there specifically. I'm going to save this file, save as Pivot Arm. It doesn't really look like an arm, but hey, I didn't make it up. Pivot Arm. Boom, save it. And there we go. We're done. We got our part created. That was kind of fun, actually, wasn't it? Come on, say it was. You know it was. All right, peace out.